Over 4,600 clicks, over 590,000 impressions, and almost 1,200 leads in just 1 month. All from a 45-second ad we shot entirely with this. And in this video, I'll explain how and reveal why this sort of lo-fi video marketing is so effective. Here's the ad.
Good morning, design team. Hope I'm not intruding.
Of course not. What do you need?
Well, I'm launching a new campaign in 4 weeks and I need 5 ads. I sent you a brief with all the sizes and platforms. I invited you to a kickoff meeting on Friday, and I included some references for a little inspo. Not that you geniuses need it. I'll get out of your hair. Let me know if you need anything. Thanks.
No, he didn't forget anything. It's all so reasonable.
What is going on?
Yeah, I just sent them Superside's design dysfunctions guide.
The production is bare bones. We're not actors or influencers. We're all Superside employees. And we're having fun. Despite this, the ad has generated almost 1,200 leads in just 1 month. Not views, not likes, actual leads. And this isn't just dumb luck.
Some of the most successful video marketing that I've seen with the highest engagement rates and the most impact is low budget and authentic.
That's Vimeo's VP of Marketing, Melissa Matlins. Her and I spoke recently about the modern state of video marketing and discussed why audiences are becoming more drawn to lo-fi videos like the one we made.
They want to be able to consume that information digitally, and they want to be able to consume that information in the same way that they would watch, a video on TikTok. That sort of home self and work self has really started to converge.
Basically, with the widespread adoption of remote work and the always connected nature of social media, B2B audiences have changed. There's no longer this hard division between the work self and the home self, and today's marketing should reflect that. Going back to our ad, it's not finding someone who's locked in a cubicle for 8 hours a day. It's finding someone working from the comfort of their own home. They've got Spotify playing. They pick up their phone, they scroll Instagram, and between the puppy pics and the memes, they find our ad, and it fits right in. That's because it looks and feels like a video you would send your friend, not an ad trying to sell you something. Our goal was to create an inside joke between us and our audience, where Superside gets baked into the punchline. An ad that proves we understand what our customers go through, and not in a way that's watered down for a professional audience. We're not marketing to corporations, we're marketing to people. And do you know any people who enjoy seeing ads on social media? Of course not. Yet here comes your ad, disrupting the user experience, barging in and stealing time. This is not how you win over an audience. If you're taking their time, you need to give them something in return. And I'm not talking about a gated piece of content. In exchange for their time, our audience gets a funny video, one they can share with their designer friends. With that in mind, think about why your audience is on social media in the first place, and build your ad around that. Are they shopping? Are they learning? Whatever it is, think about the ways you can align your ad to the ways your audience is using social media. Okay, let's talk production. We shot the whole thing in a regular boardroom on an iPhone. We didn't use any fancy lights or special apps. There was no hair and makeup. There were no actors. Tyler is actually in marketing, and me and Josh are actually on the creative team. We're everyday people, just like our audience. These are all conscious decisions made to capture a bit of that UGC magic. I'm talking about social proof and authenticity. When ads and other content are overly polished, they can come off as dishonest. While just 25% of millennials and baby boomers trust brands, about 42% trust fellow consumers. That's because as a consumer, you can identify more with the buyer than the brand itself. UGC works because it allows the consumer to see themselves in your marketing while seeing a more authentic and human-centered side of your brand. And that's what it's all about. The best marketing builds a bridge between you and your audience. And when you stop approaching things in terms of customers and brands and start looking at both sides as people, you shrink the gap between them. Now, this is all easy for me to say because at Superside, we have the resources to make all of our ads in-house. When we have an idea for an ad, we can put it into production immediately. That's a luxury that not all teams have, and that's why Superside offers video as a service. We'll conceptualize, script, shoot, and publish your video ads so you can launch successful video without ever having to go on camera. And honestly, using Superside is probably the better option for your team. Ever since our ad blew up, Tyler's been a bit of a prick.
Here you go, Mr. Wade. Here's that water you requested. The f*** is this? You want me to get you fired? Where's my liquid death?
Ugh. For more content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more on UGC content, check out Superside's playbook at the link in the description. Thanks for watching.